Welcome to Rajco Technologies. Before starting the topic, please subscribe my YouTube channel. In this channel, there are many useful Oracle, Unix, Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica ISS IDMC, Snowflake, Python, and many other courses. Videos are available. You can watch the videos, practice them. While practicing, if you like them, please press a like button and comment on the videos. And we have a website called rajinformatica.com. In this website, we have many materials like PowerCenter, Informatica, Unix, Oracle, Snowflake, Python, and many interview questions like PowerCenter, Oracle, ISCS, Snowflake, Python, and many courses, interview questions and material available. Please browse my channel, rajinformatica.com, for many other courses. We have been in this industry from 3 years and we have completed almost 25 batches of Informatica, and we have started Snowflake training, Python full stack training, and we'll be starting all the cloud and all the other trainings. You please keep browsing my rajinformatica.com channel for more courses, and please subscribe my channel. Good morning all. So this is Raj from Raj Cloud Technologies. So before introducing myself, uh, let me show my website and also let me show my YouTube channel so that you will get a fair idea. So before starting the session, so please subscribe my YouTube channel, Raj Informatica hands-on job-based training. So in this we have almost 35,000 subscribers, and also you will be having many useful videos of PowerCenter, Power BI, ISCS, Snowflake, Unix, AWS DevOps, Python. There are many useful videos available, so you can watch them and you can get good experience. So this is my channel. So I'm pinging you this channel in our chart. So please open that and subscribe the channel. So this is my channel. Subscribe and press the bell icon. And then this is my website, rajinformatica.com. So this is my website. So I am pinging you in the chart. So I will give this in the description also, in the YouTube video description. So if you see here, so in this we have different courses like Power BI, Python for AI GPT, AWS DevOps, Tableau, Snowflake, Python full stack, Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica ISS. There are many useful courses are there. So you can join any course as per your requirement. So this is our website and also YouTube channel. Now, let me introduce myself. So this is Raj. This is Natraj. People call me Raj. So I am having almost around 13 plus years of experience into different Informatica technologies like Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica Cloud, Informatica IDQ, CDQ, MDM, CDM, ILM. So different technologies I have experience with. So I have worked with different companies like HCL Technologies. I worked, Step 2 Technologies. I worked, Capgemini. I worked, Dell. I worked. So then Technosoft. I worked. Then HTC. I worked. So around in these 13 years, I worked around 5 companies. So now today is our Informatica PowerCenter Batch-26 Session-1. Okay. So that's our this. Okay. So now let's start our. So we are all learning here Informatica PowerCenter. So let's discuss about the timings first and what and all we'll learn. Then we'll go to the topics. So we are learning here Informatica PowerCenter. So the timings are morning 9:30 to 11:30. Just hold on 1 second. 1 minute, hold on. One second, please. Just hold on. Yes, okay. So Ours is Informatica PowerCenter we are learning. So the timings are morning 9:30 to 11:30. So the timings are morning 11:30 to 9:30. Yes, please. And our phone numbers of Rajco Technologies so are 9880490148 or 8105296858 or 9113861544. So these are the, so you can always WhatsApp to this number. This is our primary number. So you can always WhatsApp whatever the queries you have in this WhatsApp number. So my team will reply you. So before next session, maybe next session is on Wednesday. So before next session, you have to install Oracle and Informatica. So I'll give the step by step I have given already. Yes, we have ISCS also. So we are taking ISCS sessions also. If you see here, somebody is asking, do we have ISCS? So ISCS is next version of Informatica PowerCenter. It's a cloud version. So we have Informatica ISCS classes also are there. Okay. So you can WhatsApp us. Yes, please. You can give your number in the chat. Okay. You can give your number in the chat if you are interested in ISCS, or you can call to this number. You can call to 9880490148 or WhatsApp us. So we'll, yes, please. Okay. Now, so before the next session, today is our first session. Before the next session, so what you have to do is you have to install Informatica. You have to install Informatica. Yes, please. So if you're unable to install Informatica, so you please WhatsApp us 9880490148. Okay. So my team will help you. So now, so before the next session, you have to install Oracle and Informatica. So we have the step-by-step video in my YouTube channel. So I'll provide in the group. Today we'll create the group. So you can search with Informatica installation by Raj. So here you can, this is the one, how to download and how to install. Okay. So I'm just pinging you here. So this is a video of how to install Informatica and how to install Oracle and how to install Informatica. Okay. Yeah. So please go through this YouTube video and download Oracle and install Oracle and Informatica. I explained step by step. So how to download, how to install, everything I explained. Okay. So please download and install before the next session. Okay. Next. So system requirement to installation of Informatica and Oracle. The system installation minimum 6 GB RAM should be there. Minimum 6 GB RAM should be there. And minimum 150 GB available hard disk space should be there. And it should be 64-bit operating system. It can be i3 processor, i7 processor, i5 processor, any processor is fine. So the only criteria is 6 GB RAM. If you have 8 GB RAM, that is also fine. Either 6 or 8. Okay. So, and if you have 512 SSD, also fine. If you have 4 GB RAM, instead of taking 4 GB again, instead of taking 2 GB, take 4 GB, your system will be faster. Okay. So now next thing is first 2 weeks or first 1.5 week, alternative sessions will be there. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. After that, regular sessions will be there. And we will provide lifetime recordings after each live session. We will provide lifetime recordings. And Saturday and Sunday may be holiday. Okay. So this is how it is. Now, so if you want to get a job through Informatica, you need to do few things. One, attend the live sessions without fail. Daily attend the live sessions. Listen carefully what I'm saying. Understand the sessions. Practice the sessions on daily basis. Attend the interviews and get the job. So you have to understand what I'm saying correctly. So that is what you need to do it. Next, so on daily basis, whatever I'll show in system, I will send it to you. The notepads, word pads, Excel sheets, materials, I will send you. So daily you will get a Google link, Google Drive link. You can download the material from there on each session. So total 33 to 36 sessions will be there. Total 33 to 36 sessions will be there. Okay. So as I told you, okay. So the only thing is till now almost 2000 plus people got the jobs from my training. So just listen carefully these 2 hours. Listen carefully these 2 hours, whatever I'm saying. Okay. And watch them in the laptop. Always watch them in the laptop. Don't watch in mobile because mobile screen will be less. You will not understand anything. You cannot see anything. So please uh, watch in laptops only. Okay. So 2 hours, just listen. Don't do anything. Don't type it. Don't do parallelly. Just listen carefully. Whatever I'm saying, that's it. Okay. You can easily get a job. So now, so it's as I told you, it's 70 to 80 hours training. It's 70 to 80 hours training. Okay. So in this 70 to 80 hours, okay, what you will learn? What you will learn exactly in the 70 to 80 hours. Okay. Yes, please. So just hold on. 1 second, hold on. Yeah. Okay. So this 70 to 80 hours, I'll be teaching you Oracle SQL basics, Informatica PowerCenter 10.2.0 basics to advanced topics, Unix basic commands, mini project, resume preparation, interview questions, job assistance. So job assistance in the sense how to apply, where to apply, and how to get a job easily, how to crack the interview. So all these things I will be covered. Okay. So now the next thing is always, always always don't see the video and practice. First watch the video completely, understand the video, understand the live session or video, and close the video and then practice. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, yeah. So if you already seen Oracle SQL in the video, then good. Okay, but again I'll tell Oracle here. Okay, so please don't practice by watching the video. Parallelly, see the video and practice. Don't do it. First, what you have to do is you have to watch the video completely and then close it and then practice. Then it will be good. Okay. Now next, so we will create a WhatsApp group. Okay. So in the WhatsApp group, you can discuss about Informatica. Okay. So and then the only thing I will tell is so just what you have to do is you have to join the live session and then listen carefully, practice well. Practice is more important. Once the practice is done, okay, so practice on daily basis, complete the tasks whichever I given, and complete the mini project, and complete the all tests in the website which we have, and read and understand my PPTs. Okay, so then you can easily get a job. Okay, the only thing is practice. Okay, so the only thing, the majorly we will learn these things here. Informatica, Oracle, Unix. So Oracle will first learn. So parallelly Informatica will learn. And then Unix, very minor. So try to concentrate more on this. Okay, and these are very easy. If they are difficult also, I will tell you easily. You no need to worry. Yes, please. So, and who can learn this course? Any degree, any person who completed degree can learn this course. If it is a distance degree, or a BE BTech, or a BCA, MCA, okay, or any PG or any degree, you can easily learn this. Okay. So if you have basic computer knowledge, basic system knowledge, basic operating of your system, you can learn this course. Okay. So that's how it is. So how many hours should I practice? How many hours should I practice? Means, so based on your timing. So if you have 10 hours, practice 10 hours. If you have 2 hours, practice 2 hours. At least 2 to 4 hours you need to practice. So keep that in mind, please. Yeah. So that's how it is. So now let's enter into the topic. Okay. Just hold on a second. Yeah. Fine. Let's enter into the topic. Okay. So before we are going to Informatica, what we need to learn? We need to learn Oracle first. So the first thing you need to learn is Oracle. Okay. So before learning Oracle, you cannot learn Informatica. Okay. So before learning Oracle, I will tell you few basic things. So no training will tell this. So the few basic concepts I will tell you now. Okay. So Oracle is a database. Okay. So we'll start from here. Okay. To learn Informatica, you must have database knowledge or experience. So before going to database, first we'll see what is data. What is data, anyone? What is meant by data? Anyone? Please reply. Yeah. So data is collection of information. So wherever the information is there, that is called data. Okay. So examples of, so what is data? It's a collection of information. It's just a collection of information. Okay. Yes, please. So any format, it can be any format. So what are the examples of data? For example, in real time, in daily basis, what data you will see? If you go to a supermarket, so there you will see the retail data. If you go to college, you can see the educational data. If you go to movies, you can see the entertainment data. If you go to any government office, you can see the government data. If you go to a bank, you can see the financial data. Like that, we have different data available. Data means what? Whenever you go to the supermarket and when you purchase something, what he will do? He will give a bill, and also he will save your information. Your information means your name, your phone number, whatever you purchased, which date you purchased, all those things they will store in the system, in the computer. So this is called data. Okay. So data means collection of information. That's it. Okay. So where this data will store? In the system. In which format it will store? I'll tell you. Okay. So data is a collection of information. Okay. So examples of data are, what are examples of data? Retail data. Okay. Retail data, healthcare data, government data, educational data, financial data, etc. Yes, please. Now, this data will be stored in some format. What format it will store? It will store either in table format or in file format. Data will store in either table format or in file format. So table format means table is a collection of rows and columns. What is a table? Table is a collection of rows and columns. If you see this, for example, this is table. Okay, whatever this is highlighted, this is a table. In this table, we'll be having column headers. Suppose, for example, this table name is students. This table name is students. So this table is having student ID, student name, marks, city, for example. So the student ID, student name, marks, city are called columns. So what are these called? Columns or fields. Columns or fields or attributes or attributes. Okay. Student ID, student name, marks, city. Okay. These are all called vertical lines are called columns. The horizontal lines, the data. Okay. These are all the columns. And the data, student ID is, for example, 10. Student ID is 10. Student name is Raj. Marks 100. City Bangalore. Okay. Student ID 20. Ram 200. Chennai. Okay. For example, these are all called rows. Okay. 30. Ramya 400. Hyderabad. Okay. Like this. So these horizontal lines are called rows. These horizontal lines are called rows or records. Rows or records. Understanding everyone? So the vertical lines are called columns or fields or attributes. The horizontal lines are called rows or records. So now the data will be stored in the format of tables or files. What is a table? Collection of data in the format of rows and columns is called a table. Okay. So data is a collection of information. Table is collection of data in the format of rows and columns. Now where these tables will be present? Okay. So we have suppose 10 tables. Yes, please. For example, I have a table. This is one table. Okay. This is a table. This is a table. This is a table. Table. Okay. These tables having rows and columns. These are all tables. Yes, please. These are all tables. For example, these are all tables. So what is a table? Table is a collection of information in the format of rows and columns. And now these tables, for example, I have more than one table. These tables will store in a database. Okay. All these tables will stored in a database. Okay. So data is collection of information. Table is collection of data in the format of rows and columns. Database is collection of tables. So this is database. Database is collection of tables. This is called a database. Understanding everyone? This is called a database. Database. Sorry. Okay. So collection of tables is called a database. Yes, please. Understanding everyone? So table, collection of data in the format of rows and columns. And database, collection of tables in one place is called a database. So what are the examples of database? So examples of database are education database, financial database, healthcare database, government database, retail database. Okay. So these are all called databases. Okay. So ultimately, collection of data will be present in this databases. Yes, this understanding everyone? Are you clear, please? Getting my point? Everyone can reply. Okay. Yeah. So now in our system, this database, how it will store? For example, let's take a real world example. For example, okay. So what we do is we'll go to a supermarket. Yes, please. For example, we'll go to supermarket. So suppose we'll go to Big Bazaar. Big Bazaar is a retail store or a supermarket in India. We'll go to Big Bazaar. Once we go to Big Bazaar, what we do? We go to we take a trolley and we'll take all the goods whatever we have, whatever we need. We'll put it in the trolley and we'll go to the cashier. Now cashier, what he will do? Once you give the trolley to cashier what he will do? He will scan all your barcodes on the items and he will print a bill. When you print a bill, the bill will come to you, and in the same manner that your information, what information, your name, your phone number, how many items you purchased, what is the total cost of the items, which date you purchased, what time you purchased, all those things will save in a table, in a system. When you click on print, a print will be given to you, a hard copy will be given to you, and internally it will store as a row in a table. A table will be already there, a database will be already there in his system, and a table will be already created in his system that will go and stored in a database. Okay. So now how it will go and store in a database? They might have some software. So when you click on print, the print will come to you. He will give to the print to you. But internally to his system, this data, this information will store in a table as a row. How it will store? There should be some software, some database software should be installed in your system. To work with database, you have to install some database server or database software. So now, what are the examples of major database servers or database softwares available? Okay. So to work with, if you want to store the data in the format of table, you require a database server or a database software. So now, what are the examples? That means how many database servers are present? We have Oracle database, we have SQL Server database, Teradata database, Snowflake, Greenplum, DB2. There are and many more databases are available. But you no need to learn all the databases. You should learn only one database, that is Oracle database. If you learn Oracle database correctly, so it will be having Oracle database will be having different commands. Oracle database will be having different commands. Okay. So those commands you must learn. If you learn Oracle, the same commands will be used in other softwares also. Maybe little difference will be there, but almost same syntax will be used in other databases also. So concentrate more into Oracle, that is SQL, Oracle SQL. So to learn Informatica, Oracle SQL is more and more required. So learn and practice Oracle more. So did you understand what is database, what is data, what is database software, what are the examples of database softwares? Everyone, did you understand, please? Are you clear? Understood everyone? Hold on a second. Just 1 minute, please. So now, by using this database, we will work with Informatica. By using this database, we will work with Informatica. So, Informatica is a ETL tool. What is Informatica? Informatica is a ETL tool. Okay. So now, so what is this ETL tool? We'll see now. Where we will use this ETL tool? All those things we will see now. Okay. Fine. Let's see what is ETL. Okay. So as I told you, Informatica is a ETL tool. Informatica is a ETL tool. We are all learning Informatica PowerCenter. We are all learning Informatica PowerCenter. Okay. Yeah. So this is a ETL tool. So what is ETL means? ETL means extract, transform, load. Okay. Extract, transform, and load. So what is this extract, transform, and load? We'll see now. Okay, fine. Now let's go to supermarket again. Okay. So for example, this is Big Bazaar. Okay. This is Big Bazaar. So in Big Bazaar, for example, this is in Bangalore, Indranagar branch. Let's take Bangalore Indranagar branch. Okay. So to Bangalore Indranagar branch, so Big Bazaar is what? It's a retail business. It's a business. Actually, it's a business. A retail business. Okay. So Big Bazaar is a retail business. So in the business, that means now I am telling to you, I am making you understand how this Informatica will help you in the business. If you are a business owner, suppose you have a shop or you have anything, that means if you have any business, in your business, how Informatica will help you, I am just making you understand. So for example, I am the Big Bazaar owner. I am having one branch in Bangalore, Indranagar. Okay. Now, when I have a business, what I will see, what I will see at the end of the day, if I have a business, what I will see on daily basis. Anyone tell me? If I have a business, I will see whether I got profit, how much sales today, how much profit I got, how much loss I got, whether I got profits or loss. This is what I will see on daily basis. Okay. Suppose, for example, today 100 customers entered into my Big Bazaar. Today is 14th of October. 100 customers entered into my Big Bazaar. For example. So these 100 customers have paid 10 lakh rupees. So now, so you are unable to unmute. If you want any questions, you please ask in the chat. So it will be disturbed for others. So I cannot unmute you. If you want to answer, you please ping in the chat, in the Zoom chat. Okay. If you want to ask any question or if you want to reply to any question, please chat in the chat box, in the Zoom chat box. So today 100 customers entered and they have made total sales, they got 10 lakhs. So sales is 10 lakhs. What I've got, this sales is 10 lakhs. Today's sales is 10 lakh. Now I will calculate expenses for today. In my Indranagar branch, how much of expenses I got? So expenses means rent of the building, maintenance of the building, okay? Rent of the building, maintenance of the building, employee salaries, rent, maintenance, employee salaries, okay? So then cost price, all those things will come into the expenses. These expenses I got, for example, 7 lakh. I got 7 lakh expenses. So now profit equal to what? Profit equal to sales minus expenses, correct? Profit equal to sales minus expenses. So 10 lakhs minus 7 lakh, 3 lakh profit I got today. Yes or no, please, everyone? Is it right? Everyone is the right? So I got 3 lakh profit today. For example, tomorrow, only 10-20 people entered into my business. They made only 3 lakhs and expenses 7 lakhs. So then I will get 4 lakhs loss. So that's how it is. So now one branch is okay. Somehow I am calculating the profit. Okay. Now what I want is, as a Big Bazaar owner, I cannot go to the Big Bazaar and I cannot sit. I will ask someone to generate the reports. What kind of report I want? Okay, to make the better business decisions, I want the reports. What kind of reports? I want daily report, weekly report, monthly report, quarterly report, yearly report. I need these kind of reports, okay, on daily basis. So Big Bazaar, what he will do? He will just open his mobile and he will check the reports. Who will send the reports? Whoever working in business, Big Bazaar, they will send the reports. For example, I have 10 branches. For example, I have 10 branches throughout India. Yes, please. I have 10 branches throughout India. So now, in Bangalore, suppose, in Bangalore, I want branch-wise report. Branch-wise report. In each branch, in Indranagar branch, what is the profit and loss? In each, what? In each, that means Indranagar branch, how much? Jayanagar branch, how much? JP branch, how much? Now, city-wise report. City-wise report. After city-wide report. Yes, please. Understanding everyone? So then that means Bangalore, total Bangalore, how much profit or loss? Total Chennai, total Hyderabad. Then statewide. Okay. So total Andhra Pradesh, how much? Total Telangana, how much? Karnataka, how much? Okay. Maharashtra, how much? Then zonal wide. So zonal wide means south zone, how much? North zone, east zone, west zone, how much? Then countrywide. So who will generate this? Who are working in business on Big Bazaar business? Those will be Those will be giving this data. These reports ultimately, as a business owner, we need the reports. So now, how we will generate the reports? We need the data first. When I have the Big Bazaar, so I have Big Bazaar, correct? So I am the Big Bazaar owner. In the Big Bazaar, so what my employees will go and open the shop today, Big Bazaar outlet. So then what customers will enter? First customer entered into my Big Bazaar today. He will take, suppose for example, he will take 10,000 worth groceries. What is that called? A big into Big Bazaar, a customer entered and he took 10,000 worth items. What is that called? What is it called? Anyone, please? What exactly that called? That is called a transaction. So one customer entered and he has done the transaction. Yes or no, please, everyone? He has done a transaction worth 10,000 rupees. Another customer entered and he has done another transaction with 5,000 rupees. So when suppose I am the customer, I will go to the Big Bazaar today and I will take 10,000 worth of goods and I will give it to the cashier. Cashier will enter into the system and he will click on the print. So this is called a transactional data. This data is called a transactional data. Did you understand? Customer transactional data. Everyone, are you getting my point, please? So to the Big Bazaar, so in the Big Bazaar system, database will be there, table will be there. And when a customer go to the Big Bazaar, when he did a transaction, when he did a transaction, yes, please. Once he done the transaction, this transaction will go and store in the database or a table. This transaction, yes, please, will go to the table or a database. This data is called transactional data. This data is called transactional data. Understanding? These tables are called transactional tables. Transactional tables. Transactional database, all called OLTP. This is called online transactional processing. Online transactional processing. Everyone getting my point? Are you clear my point, please? Did you understand? So whenever the customers entered into Big Bazaar, when they done the transactions, the cashier will enter the transactions and it will go and sit in the transactional tables. This is also called OLTP. Everyone got my point, please? Quickly. Are you clear what is transactional data? So now, as a Big Bazaar owner, I have the transactional data. I have, suppose for example, I have 1 year data, 2013 data I have. For example, I have 2013 from January to December data I have. 2013 entire year data I have. Complete data of 2013. That means on 1st of January, how many people entered, what time entered, what is the mobile number, customer information I have. Now, as a business owner, what I want? I want the reports should be generated from this data, correct? I want someone to generate the reports on this data. I have the transactional data. To the transactional data, by taking the transactional data, I want someone to generate the reports on this transactional data. Now what I will do? I will give my data to some software company. As a Big Bazaar owner, I will give this data to Accenture. Now Accenture, what he will do? Accenture will hire ETL developers, Informatica developers. What Accenture will do? Accenture will hire ETL developers or Informatica developers and reporting developers, ETL developers and reporting developers, and develop the reports. And what they will do? Who will develop the reports? Software company will develop the reports. The employees of the software company. Okay. So Big Bazaar having 1 year data. But what he wanted ultimately the reports. Big Bazaar owner will not understand the table. He want the reports ultimately. So this Big Bazaar will give to Accenture. This data will give it to Accenture. Okay. This data will be given to Accenture. Accenture, what he will do? Accenture is a software company. Okay. Accenture is having many employees. Accenture is having many employees. Okay. So Accenture will hire ETL developers and reporting developers. The reporting developers will generate the reports. What kind of reports? Daily reports, monthly reports, yearly reports, all those things. They will generate branch-wise report. Okay, state-wide report, all the reports they will generate. So now, so ETL means what? Extract the data from transactional tables. So extract the data from these tables, customer details, okay, and modify. Transact means modify, okay. Transact the data, extract, transform or modify the data, transformer, modify the data, and load the data, okay. So this is called OLAP, and this is called OLTP, and this is called OLAP, okay. Online analytical processing. Yes, please. So we have the data, we have the raw data. This is also called raw data. I'll give a best example for this. Okay. So this is analytical data means modified data. Okay, data is having a good shape. So ultimately what? I am a big bazaar owner. I wanted to understand my business. If I want to understand my business, I want the reports daily, monthly, weekly, city-wide, branch-wise, all those I want. But what I have only data entered by my cashier. My cashier opened the shop today and customers entered. Customers has paid the money to cashier. Cashier took the money and he entered those transactions, and those will go internally and sit into the transactional tables. So from these transactional tables, ETL developers or reporting developers will generate the reports. Okay, I will give some better example for this. For example, my project is I want a building. I have 1 crore rupees. I want 5-storied building. I want a building with five. I want a building with 5 floors. I have 1 crore rupees in my hand. My project is what? To get a building ultimately, to get an apartment with good painting, with a lift, with good wardrobes, interior, everything. Now what I will do? I have money. Okay. What I will do now? I will go to a contractor and I will give the money to contractor. So here I am big bazaar. By using my money, I started a business and I took a cashier. Okay. So now what this contractor will do? Contractor will take first will buy raw material. What are the raw material? What are the raw material built by to construct a building? What are the raw materials wanted? Anyone please? To construct a building, what are the raw materials required? Quickly please. To construct a building, what are the raw materials? We need cement, we need bricks, we need sand, we need stones, we need iron. Correct. So these are the raw materials. Now by you, contractor will buy raw materials. Same way, we have raw data. In Bagbazar tables, transactional data or raw data, transactional data we have. Now by using this raw material, I want to construct a building. So now contractor will take the workers, correct? Contractor will take the, hire the workers who will construct a building, correct? Workers. And those workers, what they will do? They will construct a building. Yes or no, please? By using the raw material, workers will construct a building and they build a building. They finally, after 1 year, they build a apartment with 5 floors, with lift, with 5 floors. But they did not paint it. They did not paint it. They did not do the interior. Can you leave? Can you leave that? Everyone, please. Without painting, without interior, can you live in the building? No, right? Okay. One second. See now, ETL, extract, transform, load. So what you want to extract? The data from transaction table. Get the data from transaction table. That means what is here? We have raw data, raw material. Raw material. Now the workers will change the raw material, will change, correct? Modify the raw material, correct? Modify the raw material and they will they constructed a building, correct? They constructed a building. Yes or no, please? Constructed a building. Same way. One second. 1 minute, please. Just hold on. So what he has? What he has? Raw material. Raw material to construct. Then he will give shape to the. He will modify the material. Modify the material. And he will build a building. Build a building. Okay? He built a building. Same way, we read the data from the tables is called OLTP, called online transaction processing. Online transaction processing. Correct. Online transaction processing. Then modify. Transform means modify the data. Modify the data. Yes, please. Modify this OLTP and give a shape to the building. Give a shape to the data. Modify the data. Modify the data. Once we modify the data, we will give a shape to the data. Modify the data and we'll give the shape to the data, that is load the data. Okay? Give the shape, that is OLAP. OLAP. Online analytical processing. Analytical processing. So, did you understand? We have some data. We given some good meaning to the data. So we built a building. But still, we cannot live into this building, correct? Because painting is not done, interiors are not done. So our ETL, your work, if you get a job, your work is this. ETL. You will extract the data from transactional tables, modify the data or transform the data and load the data to OLAP tables, online analytical processing tables. But customer will not understand this data. Now you have to give a good shape to the building. Good shape means you do the interior, painting, wardrobes, POP, everything you do it, lightings, all you do it and give it to the customer. Same way, reporting people by using reporting tools like Power BI, reporting tools like Power BI, okay, Cognos, Tableau. So they will give good shape to the data. They will generate the reports ultimately. Understanding everyone? Are you clear, please? Are you clear? Did you understand? So our work is just ETL. ETL developer. We are all ETL developers or Informatica developers. If you get a job, we will just extract, transform, and load. We'll just extract, transform, and load. Yes, please. Okay. Not only that work is done because this data is modified data, correct. But customer will not understand this data. Business will not understand the data. They will give the good shape by using the reporting developers called Power BI developers who work on Power BI, who work on Tableau, who work on MicroStrategy, who work on Cognos, who work on business objects, who work on SSRS. So what those people will generate the reports on this OLAP. Same way, we will give a good shape to, not only good shape, okay, we will modify the building in such a way to it should be your customer should live in that place. So that is what ETL means. Did you understand what is ETL means? So ultimately, what is your work? You will extract the data from the transaction table, modify the data, transform the data, and load the data. Here also, extract the data from where? From the OLTP tables. Modify the data and load the data to OLAP tables or data warehousing tables. So this is called ETL. Understood everyone what is ETL means? Did you understand what is ETL everyone? Are you clear please? Everyone are you clear? Did you understand my session completely? Did you understand my session completely guys? So I given a best example what is ETL means. So ultimately when you go to office what you will do? We have different businesses like ICICI Bank or Big Bazaar or a Apollo Hospitals or a Unix theaters, okay, or a college. What they will do? They have the data and the money. What they will give this data and money will be given to the software company. Software company will hire like me, like you, and they will give the salary to us, and we will understand the data, we will get the data from OLTP tables and modify the data and load it to OLTP tables. Then reporting people also from software company, they will generate the reports. These reports will be understood by Apollo Hospitals owner or a Inox Theaters owner or a college principal or a Big Bazaar owner. Okay, so this is how it will work. Are you clear, please? So ultimately, they wanted the reports to understand the business. In Indranagar branch, this month I got 10 lakh profit. Next month I got 20 lakh profit. Third month I got 5 lakh loss. Fourth month I got 10 lakh loss. Fifth month I got 15 lakh loss. Then what I will do? I will change the business. I will just stop the business there instead of getting loss and change it to some other building, some other location. So to take the business decisions, we require the reports. Who will generate the reports? The reporting people. Who will give the data to reporting people? ETL developers. We. Who will give the data to ETL developers? Customer will give the data. The business will give the data. Clear, please? Understanding everyone? Are you clear? So, is my session is understandable? Is my session is understandable? Everyone, please reply. So the next session will be on Wednesday. So before Wednesday, you please install Oracle and Informatica. Please install Oracle and Informatica. So this is about today's session. So we'll add you to the WhatsApp group whoever paid. Okay, whoever paid full fee will add you to the WhatsApp group. So before winding up the session, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. Please subscribe without fail. And in this channel, you have many useful Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica Cloud, Snowflake, okay, ISCS, IDMC, then Unix, Oracle, okay, then Power BI, Python, okay, all these things, okay, we have all these videos, many videos are useful videos that you can watch and get a good experience. Also, we have a website called Raj Informatica, okay, so this is my website rajinformatica.com. So in this website, okay, you can join the courses directly by using website and you can see what are the courses. So what are the courses we will be having. So you can see this and you can scroll down and you can see this. In this website, you have many interview questions available. PowerCenter interview questions, Oracle interview questions, ISCS interview questions, IDMC interview questions. Okay, material, PowerCenter, that means Unix material, Oracle material, data warehousing materials, everything will be there. So you can watch and you can practice. Fine, guys. So see you on Wednesday. See you on Wednesday, everyone. Okay, guys. Thank you all. See you. See you on Wednesday. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. I hope you understood this topic well. Before closing the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also, please browse my rajinformatica.com for all the software courses. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.